conversion of Roman to Hindu Arabic. Means normally we use in our daily life one like these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, we know that these digits are we are using in our daily life. Okay, these are in Hindu Arabic numerals. These numbers are Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, now there another system seems to be there. That system was Roman numeral system. These numbers like I, V, X, L, C, D, M are the numbers which are said to be Roman numerals. Okay, here I am going to show you this chart where we call this I as 1 and V as 5 in Hindu Arabic numeral written here. So Roman numerals are here. X means 10. Okay, we already know these values. Okay, we already learnt in our classes. Okay, L, C, D, M are new numbers in Roman numerals, and L means 50 here, C means 100, D means 500, M means 1000 here. Okay, another step is that is conversion of new Roman to Hindu Arabic numerals, and another is conversion of Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals. If you have given to convert these methods to, then I am going to show you two methods how to convert this Roman to Hindu Arabic and Hindu Arabic to Roman here. Okay, we are going to learn the first what are the Roman numerals first. Okay, next we are going to see the conversion of two methods. Okay, now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9 there are digits. We already know these numbers. Okay, by combining these numbers we have the symbols of Roman numerals. If we are combining these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0, we get Roman numerals. Okay, these numbers are called in like this I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Okay, there are some rules to write. There are rules to write, different rules to write Roman numerals. Okay, what are the rules? Okay, now there are rules are there. Third one. Okay, first one is rules I am going to show you. What are the rules? First, a symbol can be repeated up to maximum of 3 times. Okay, how many times we will repeat? A symbol can be repeated up to only 3 times. Maximum of 3 times. Okay, and there are some numbers which are not repeated, never be repeated. V, L, D are never repeated. Okay, some numbers that is V, L and D, and remaining is I, X, L, C, M. I, X, C, M. L is already here, is repeated up to 3 times. Okay, like this one rule is completed here. A symbol can be repeated of maximum of 3 times. VLD never repeated, and IXCM up to 3 times we can repeat. Okay, for example I will show here. Let us take X, X, X. So in second point I, this is I, X, C, M up to 3 times. So this is repeated up to 3 times only. That is what here? X means what in this chart? 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is what? 30 here. We write this triple X is 30. Okay, like this we will write the 3 times only these numbers. B point we have I, X, C, M. So we only repeat up to 3 times. We can't repeat in more than 3 times. Okay. Second point rule is, let us take if one or more than one or more letters are placed, one or more letters are placed after a greater value, means after a greater value. First we have a greater value, after that a small value, it means addition. Okay, it means addition we have to do. First greater number we have to write, after that smaller number, then we have to add that numbers, we get the Roman numeral or Hindu Arabic numeral. For example, if you have given xv1 like this, what you will write the Hindu Arabic number, you get confused what to do next. Okay, now here is write this is 6 here. Okay, we know already from small classes we learned about 1 2 3 up to 10 Roman numerals we have learned. Okay, in that 6 is this one, we identify 6 easily, and this is 10. Okay, 10 is greater than 6. So here what second rule, if one or more letters are placed after a greater value, means greater value, after that we have a smaller value, then it means addition we have to do. Okay, then what we have to do, 10 plus 6 we have to do, that is 16 we get in Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay, we have converted this Roman numeral into Hindu Arabic numeral. Okay, like this we have to convert. This is convert means we have to find the value of this value. xv1 means, xvi means what, we have to find the value, no. This is 10 and this is 6. So smaller value is after the greater value, so we have to add. Okay, next third rule is what, if a letter is placed before a letter of greater value, means first there is a smaller value, after that we have a greater value, which means subtraction we have to do. Okay, subtraction. Third rule is what, if a letter is placed before a letter of greater value, then that means subtraction. That is what, example, for example I am going to show here x I x here. C, sorry, xc1 I x. So what xc I x means, this is 9. Okay, this is going to be 100 here, from chart I am showing here. C means 100. Okay, this means 9 we have, no, we have already, we have this 9. Okay, and this is 10 we know already. Okay, now see the rules, 10 is smaller number and 100 is greater number, and here 9 is smaller number. Then what is the answer of this question? Here smaller number is there before a greater number. So what is the third rule? A letter is placed before a letter of greater value, means here letter was x, smaller letter is given after a before a greater letter. So we have to do subtraction of this one. 10 minus 100 we have to do, and 9 is as it is we have to write. Okay, 9 is there, so we get here 90. Okay, now 90 and 9 is there. Okay, what we have to do, 90 is there, big greater number, this is greater and this becomes smaller. So what we have to do, apply the second rule. After a greater value, letter is placed. What letter is placed? 9 is placed. So 90 plus 9 we have to do. Addition we have to do. Here we have to do subtraction. Here addition. Okay, 99 is the value of this XCIX. Okay, understood children? First we have to do the first rule. It is repeated numbers we have to see. If there is no repeated number, now come to second rule, that is letters are placed after a greater value, then we have to add. If letters are placed before a greater value, then we have to subtract. Okay, like this subtraction. Okay, here before a greater value there is 10, smaller value is there, so we have subtracted 100 minus 10, 90, and remaining 9 is there. 90 and 9 is there, so after a greater value a small value is there, so we have to add. From rule 2 we are going to add these numbers. Okay, so 90 plus 9, we get 99. Like this we have to do. Okay, simple example I am showing here. Another example, 1v means we already know the value of this 4. Okay, but how we get this 4 we don't know. See here, this is 5 and this is I means 1. Okay, what we have from rules, we have learned that 1 is smaller than 5. Before this greater number we have a smaller number. Okay, before a letter of greater value, then we have to subtract. Okay, if a letter is placed before a letter of greater value, before means 5 is greater value and 1 is smaller, then we have to subtract this. 1 minus 5 means 4 we get. Like this we have to do. We already learned this in smaller classes, but we don't know how this is came from. Okay, so this is the reason, by these rules we obtain the value like this. Okay, now some examples I am doing here. Let us see. Please watch complete video so that you can understand the conversion of Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. Next, 242 is given. Then how to write this Hindu Arabic into Roman numerals. Now we are going to see this example. Okay, conversion of Roman numeral conversion of Hindu Arabic to Roman. So 242 is Hindu Arabic number and Roman numeral. So see here, 242 is given. What we have to do when we convert this Hindu Arabic numeral to Roman numeral, expand the number according to place value and then convert. Okay, first we have to expand this. Okay, next step we have to convert. Now first step we have to write down in expanding form, that is 200 plus 40. This is 1's place, this is 10's place, this is 100's place. Okay, 200 plus 40 plus 2. What? See here, now convert. Next step is conversion. 200 means in Roman numerals we have to convert these numbers. 200 means what? We have 100 is there already. So C means 100 and D means 500. We have to go C. So C we have to write double C, we have to write C means 100 plus 100 is 200 we get. Now next 40 means what we have to write from chart? L is 50 and X is 10. Then 50 before we have to write smaller number, then minus we get. Okay, from rule 3 subtraction we do before number is smaller and after number is bigger, greater number, then we do subtraction. We get 40 here. Then write here first x here, then L means 50. Then we get 40. 2 means we have to write I 2 times. We get 2. Okay. Now next example is, now this becomes what? CC. Completely write down adding this I. So 242 means CCXLII. Like this we have to convert. Now another is second example, convert 1249 into Roman numerals. Roman numerals, sorry for disturbance. 1249 Roman numerals. Convert this to this one. So here see here what we have given, 1249. First we have to expand this. 12 means 1000. First write down the place values, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay, now 1000 plus 2 means 100 position, 204 means tens position, 49 means ones position. Now 1000 means M, 200 means 100 C means 200, 40 means X and L means 50. We are writing here X minus of this one, we get 40. 9 means 1 before greater value 10, 1 is there, 10 minus 1, 9. Now complete we have to combine these values, we get the Roman numeral of 1249 like this. Okay. Now if second conversion of Roman to Hindu Arabic. Okay, two examples I will show here. Conversion of Roman to Hindu Arabic. See here first one, CMXC1V. What here? This can be written in the form of expanded form. First largest value identify first and then check whether any symbol before the largest number, identify the next largest values, then write down. First we have to write down in the pair, okay, so that you can understand easily. This is M means 1000 and C means 100. In this X means 10, C means 100. Here 1 and V means 5. Now see here biggest value, this is smaller, and here is also, this is smaller number and this is smaller. Now 1000 minus 100 we have to do 900 we get, and C 100 minus 10 smaller value is there, so we get what, 90, and 5 minus 1 we get 4. What, combine the all values, 994. Okay, this is the value of Roman numeral. Okay, now second example, CCCLX111 Now see here, combine these all values. This is already repeated in 3 times, so CC means 300, CL means, C means 100, L means 50. This becomes, sorry, these are 3 combined notes, 300. LX means 50 plus 10, 50 plus 10 plus 3 we are writing here. Now 363. Okay, so Like this, we have to convert Roman to Hindu Arabic and Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals. This way, we have to do the conversion. Okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please like, share, subscribe my channel for more maths interesting videos.